Hello guys, let's look at the charts. Today was PPI news and we were expecting to sell, okay? We were expecting to sell earlier and my plan was to sell. But at the last moment, right before the news, I saw the fundamental numbers change. So, I reversed my position from a solid sell to a buy, and you can see the magic happening right here. This shows the power of fundamentals. Even though the market was set for a sell before the news, just 5 minutes before, I sent a message in the group to buy and not to sell. And you can see the results now. So let's discuss this sell news. I shared in the group that Saturday PPI predictions were good for selling. I had also predicted both CPI and PPI at the same time earlier. These are the predictions I shared. I told everyone in the group not to go full margin because, as you've seen over the last 3 days or so, spikes have been happening unexpectedly. I told everyone in the group to wait and not enter immediately, but instead wait until 2 minutes before the news to enter. At 5:54, 6 minutes before the news, I got a message that the fundamental data had just changed. So I quickly analyzed the situation in about 1 or 2 minutes and sent a message in the group saying it's now a buy. Then the news came, and people went in for the buy. Let me show you the candle. If we look at the 1 minute candle, this was the entry zone. You can see the market reached 25.19, and then I gave the buy signal at 25.20 and 25.17, with stop loss and take profit levels provided. This was the new signal. I told people to hold the news, and it was that easy. From here to here, in just a few minutes, we were up. Let me show you the price action. I'll place the limit here, and you'll see the magic unfold. In just a few minutes, the market shot up by about 300 points. It kept going up, up, and up again. Around this point, I told the group they could close the trade or hold it. Then I mentioned that the gold sell had hit TP1, take profit 1. This was related to the buy trade, and the sell trade sadly hit stop loss. After that, I gave a new signal around this zone. I reminded the group to hold the PPI news positions so that if the market went up, we'd still be in profit. PPI gave the signal to sell, and we hit 2,522. You can see the TP was 25.24. Within 15 or 20 minutes, our target was reached, 140 pips in profit. I told everyone to move their stop loss to entry and save half of the profits. Then I told the group to wait for a new sell zone, which was here. Gold went up again, and we still had our PPI positions. Gold went up, and we hit the sell zone at 25.49. I can't show you where the liquidity is, but just remember, because it was a new high, we followed the pattern of retracements. Down, then up, and so on. At this sell zone, the market dropped about 41 pips. The pump was so strong that it gave us a movement of 150 pips with ease. From here to here, we saw moves of around 124 to 140 pips. At one point, it was 85 pips, and I advised everyone to set a stop loss at break even and book some profits. After setting the stop loss at break even, the market came back again. You can see it retraced, and then we hit the sell zone again at 25. It was another good move. After that, I gave another entry. I mentioned in the group that if the market retraced to the break-even zone, we could sell again with the same take-profit targets. The target hit at break-even, and we made around 50-60 pips, then another 60 pips, and then 90 pips. We had 4 trades, and only one hit the stop loss. The remaining trades brought in over 400 plus pips. If we exclude the new trade, which is still open on my live account, I'll share the results on my Telegram. If you want daily free analysis, you can join my Telegram, where I share my trades. The market is still moving up with no signs of stopping, but we'll see what happens, because the PPI has pumped the market quite a bit. You can see there was quite a bit of fluctuation and volume right here. Currently, my personal sell zone is between 25.61 and 25.60, and I will sell right after recording this video. Now, to answer some of the questions I received. First of all, I am not an ICT, Inner Circle Trader, or SMC, Smart Money Concepts Trader, nor do I strictly follow price action. I use liquidity sweeps to trade, and I'll make a strategy video on it soon. However, before sharing my strategy, I want to improve my ability to explain it properly. Right now, it's more of an intuitive process for me, and I don't yet have the right skills to explain it clearly. That's why I haven't released a course yet, but I expect to upload a video in 1 or 2 weeks. I hope you guys enjoyed this friendly trading recap. I provide proof of the signals right here, and you can match the timings with the charts. During the PPI release, 99% of signal providers were on the sell side, but I can bet only 1% were on the buy side, and you know how that turned out. Success is not the key to happiness. Happiness is the key to success. If you love what you are doing, you will be successful. That's my point here. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel, as it motivates me to upload daily content. And yes, I will upload whatever video you guys request. Even though I can be quite lazy, your support keeps me going.